Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for the bracket on the inside of your oven door. The reason why I would have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a screwdriver with a VT15 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our oven door here. And what we need to do is lift up on these hinge clips here on both sides. And once we do that, we're going to close the door up as much as we can, and then we can lift it out and set it on the ground. Now we're going to start with the 2 screws on top. We're also going to get the washer that goes with it. And now I'll move the 3 bottom screws here. And now that we have all those screws out, we should be able to separate the 2 halves of the door. So you can see here on our door handle assembly, we've got 2 screws holding in this bracket on the side. We're missing 1 screw actually right here. If you take a look on this other bracket right here, you'll see that there's a screw right here, and that helps hold the door handle in, as well as that other screw. So right now, with that screw missing, this door handle on this side is totally free and loose to come out. So you can grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on an online store. And we'll put that screw down, make sure that the handle is properly lined up, and then screw it back into place. So now I'm going to put the 2 halves of the door together, but before I do that, I want to stick in the longer screw on both sides. And I'm also going to put the spacer on both screws, and it should hold itself in place, just like that. And once those are in place, snap back together. And now on this side, we'll just use the hinge and pull up a little bit to line up those screw holes. And once we do that, screw it back in. And now that we've got everything screwed back together, we can put our door back on. So we're going to put the hinges into the holes right there, set it down, put our door all the way down, and then we'll push down the hinge clips on both sides. And now you can close up your oven door, and your repair is complete. eBay is totally useless. I just tried to look up lighters, and I got 170,000 matches. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.